Yabona kunabantu ekusolakala ukuthi bahambile la emhlabeni ngawo lo TikTok. Kunabantu abasasongelana namanje ukuthi labo ohlangana khona ngeke kumile etshani. Omunye akasende location khona bezohlangana beqedana. Ngenxa yawo lo TikTok. Yabona o-social media ungawusebenzisa ukuze uplifta wena mphakathi. Ungaphinda futhi usebenzise ukuthi uzidicilele phansi ube i-dangerous weapon kuwena u-social media. Impilo zabantu ezinye zishintshile bazana nabanye abantu abasezingeni eliphezulu ngawo lo social media. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi abanye kuyasolakala ukuthi abasekho emhlabeni ngenxa yawo. Yabona umbese ungawusebenzisa ukupheka nje ukudla uqoba ukudla udle. Umbese futhi ungawusebenzisa ukubulala umuntu. Kuba kuwena uthi ithuluzi ulisebenzisa kanjani. Abazange besibone isidingo sokuthi abantu behlangane bengaxabene be-expand nje ukuthi awumfowethu lento oyikhulumayo ngiyayithanda ake sibonaneni sihlangane sihlale phansi sixoxe ngayo. Hayi babone ukuthi ngoba nakho sekumele bebulalana bahlanganeke manje. That is why mina ngithe no, let me take part of the event that will be held on the 2nd of May 2026 lapha eMichelle's Park eMorningside eThekwini ngomhla ka2 May ngo11. Ngithe let me take part because we are expanding our world. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzayo noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Uyabona njengoba abanye abantu baye besho bethi yazi ngiyafisa ukuhlangana nawe changes. Sike sikhulume sike sixoxe nje ngalezi zinto yeso. Anginayo umuntu mina othe hey la sohlangana khona ngeke kuze kumile etshani. Anginalo lo hlobo lomuntu lolo yabo. Ngisendele location cha anginalo lo hlobo lolo. That is why I will be there for those people I believe ukuthi we think alike, you see. So I'm going to take part. So we are also expanding our own opportunities. We are also expanding our own world. To rub shoulders with abantu that are like-minded. You see? We are because in fact, if you want to change, but you forget to change the environment and the people, that you don't need to be with them time to time because of their level of vibration will alter your level of consciousness. So hence we are going to be there with those kind of people.